Japanese nature, so beautiful. Beautiful day today. Let's take a look. It's just so beautiful. What I've learned for the time I'm in Japan is that nature influences a lot people. So in case of Japan, it's just well, it's just seasons changing. It's just so beautiful. It influences people. They becoming more artistic. The inner of the person is just, we all part of nature, and in Japan you can really feel it. But yeah, so beautiful. So peaceful. What I found is that here you can be just at peace at yourself. It's just a nice environment. Nobody's pushing you. It's just nice. So beautiful. So beautiful. And as you can notice, the nature is just in such a proximity to the everyday life, and it influences just life in general, because you work, and if you get tired or maybe you want to take a fresh air, you just go, and the nature is just right here. Well, I'm about to go home, and it's just beautiful, beautiful park close to my house. Well, everybody, as always, it's my pleasure to guide you around Japan, and if you have any suggestions, or if you want me to open Japan for you, just let me know and I will explore more. And actually soon there will be sakura blossoming, so it will be much more interesting. So looking forward to that. But before I end, I want you to show you one more thing. This is the road, beautiful road. Just a second. So beautiful weather. I think some of you may remember this road. So this, as you can see, look at the trees. They just perfectly aligned. Look at this alley, so beautiful. It's beautiful, my goodness. They're not close, so I can just, as you can see, so beautiful. at this arrow. Perfectly aligned. Look. It's just beautiful. Road to the future. So I'm betting a lot on Japan. I think Japan will lead the future in terms of technology, and it's not about being nationalistic or something, it's just the way they do things. So, and what I want, I guess, is people to well, you should be able to grasp some of the Japanese DNA, so to speak. So cultivate Japanese in yourself. Just so nice, so beautiful. So peaceful. Well, anyway, bye bye.